Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutar from Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, working as the head of the department and associate professor in pharmacognosy. So, friend, today we are going to see next one point from the preparation and standardization of Ayurvedic formulation. That is nothing but is your churna. So, churna is nothing but your solid dosage form. Okay, so this one churna is there. It should be taken into the is available in the various type of the forms are there. First one is there, that is a simple one, means there is a single ingredient is there or single one drug is there, it should be present as a active chemical component. Second one is there, that is a compound one, when there is a more than two drugs are there, two or more than two drugs are there, that should be available as a active pharmaceutical ingredient, then such type of the drug is there should be known as a compound churna powder. Next one is there, that is the ash containing, means if the drug or the formulation it contains some of the minerals are there or the heavy metals are there, so for their addition we are going to be convert that one particular mixture into the ash form. Okay, bhasma, ash, likewise. Okay, so that is known as a ash containing churna is there. So in case of this one particular formulation, the drug is there which should be added, that all these drugs are there that should be authenticated. Once we are going to authentication of that one particular drug, we are going to dry that one particular powder material, or we can dry that one drug, cleaning, like all the process are there that are to be carried out, then size reduction of the drug, then sieving, weighing, then mixing of the drug either should be carried out. Mixing of the drug either should be carried out as per the ascending order, because of which each and every ingredient that is will lie into the next one or another one drug ingredient, because of which we can take the uniform dose of the drug is there. So this is the simple process is there. First we are going to take the drug material, authenticate that one drug material. After authentication, dry that one particular drug material, then just check whether there is adulterant is should be present or not. If adulterant is present, then you have to remove that one adulterant. We are going to take that one particular drug, all the drugs are there, clean them, powder them in appropriate size, means pass that one particular drug material through a particular sieve number. Mostly the 80 number sieve that is there is to be utilized for the churna powder is there, then pass through the sieve number 80 separately, then weigh as per the formula, and then mix up as per the ascending order to have a uniform mixing, and finally fill them in a container. So this is a simple method of the preparation of the churna is there. Now the next one is there, that is the evaluation of the churna. So these are the different tests are there that we are going to be utilized for the evaluation of the churna is there. First one is there, that is the organoleptic parameter. In that case, we are going to see the color, odor, taste, then texture, likewise components. Then total sugar contents are there that we find out. Then sugar, reducing sugar is there. Then phytochemical test for the primary metabolites, secondary metabolites are there, such as your carbohydrate, protein, lipids. Secondary metabolites such as alcoholic, glycoside, tannin, flavonoids are there that we are going to be find out. Then bulk density, tap density, compressibility index, Carr's index, Hansen's ratio, angle of repose, extractive value, then moisture content, microscopic value, then test for heavy metals are there that is also to be there, then microbial load, how many number of the microorganisms are present, then pesticide residue, how much quantity of the pesticide is there should be present in case of that one particular formulation, then physico-chemical evaluation such as the melting point is there, boiling point is there. Likewise, the preparations are there. If the solids are there, we are going to check melting point. If the liquids are there, we are going to check boiling point. Then the pharmaceutical parameters are there, such as the dissolution, then weight is there, pH is there, volatile oil contents are there, then dissolutions are there. Likewise, these are the parameters, several parameters are there. Now let's we see some of the important parameters are there. So firstly, we are going to, for the measurement of the bulk density, we are going to take measuring cylinder. We are going to take a beaker which containing your powder, transfer that one particular powder, okay, into a beaker. Okay, likewise, because of which there is a rise in the volume of the powder in a beaker. Measure the volume. Okay, this is your known as a bulk density. To this one measuring cylinder, we are going to tap by utilizing a glass rod. Okay, likewise, because of which what is the volume of the drug is going to be decreased. Okay, so this is known as a tap density is there. In case of this one here, we are going to see that one the volume of the powder is there is somewhat higher. Because of the tapping, the volume of the drug is to be goes decreasing. Okay, so this here, because of the tapping, the air is get removed from that one particular powder. So that is to be known as a tap density. Okay, so this bulk density is equal to mass upon volume. Just by this one formula, we are going to check the bulk density. Now the next one is there tap density, mass of the powder divided by tap volume. That is known as a tap density. So likewise, these are the two values are there that we are going to be calculate. Now the next one is there, that is a percentage of compressibility. Here the bulk volume minus tap volume divided by bulk volume, that we are going to be determine, okay, into 100. So what is the value is there, that is a percentage compressibility is there. Why we are going to calculate this one percentage compressibility? Yes, we are going to be calculate this one compressibility because of this information you are know how many number of the containers are required. For example, if there is 1000 kg of the bulk powder you have prepared and someone asks you how many number of the containers are required to pack this one, so this compressibility percentage compressibility help you that in a one container how much quantity of the powder is there is to be filled depends on that how many number of the containers are required for this one particular 1000 kg of the powder that is there is to be calculated. This is okay. Second one, because of the compressibility, you are getting that one the flow property of the drug. Suppose the percentage compressibility is less than 12, the flow property is excellent. Second one, if that is 12 to 16, good. Then 18 to 21, fair. As the percentage compressibility is going on increasing, the flow property of the drug is worst. Okay. As this drug is actually passes through the hopper or several flow properties are there when the powder is actually removed from the container, that is not to be occur or flow is there is not to be occur properly. So for that the compressibility index is there, it should be taken into the consideration. Now the second one is there, that is the Hansen's ratio, which is there, it should be calculated, that is the tap density divided by bulk density, that gives you the Hansen's ratio. Next one is there, that is the angle of repose. So for the calculation of the angle of repose, we are going to take a funnel which is to be set on a stand at a 5 centimeter from the ground base level. Okay, in that you are going to be add a powder. That powder is should be passes through this one funnel. Okay, and at the bottom side there is a cone like structure is formed. Just measure the height of the cone, that is 5 centimeter, and the radius of that one cone that you have to be measure. Okay, then put that one value in a formula. So angle of repose is equal to tan theta is equal to h height divided by radius. So what is the answer you are getting? That is nothing but your angle of repose. Second one is that is a Car's index. Car's index is to be calculated by tap density minus bulk density multiplied by tap density. Okay, sorry, divided by tap density. So likewise you are getting another standards are there, ash value. Okay, all of you well known in the previous slide. By utilizing the muffle furnace or boiling the burning that one particular powder, Okay, ignition of that one particular powder on a Bunsen burner in a crucible, that we are going to be calculate, that is a hash value. Extractive value, a small quantity of the powder is there should be taken in water or the alcohol, shake in 100 ml of the alcohol, and keep it in overnight period or 24 hours. After that one, filter, after filtration, evaporate that one. So by this way you are getting the extractive value. Next one is there, that is a pesticide content, then moisture content. Next one is there, that is a microbial load. Likewise, these are the parameters are there, that standardization of the drug is there, churna is there, is to be carried out. Okay. So next, this is about the standardized preparation and the standardization of the churna. So all of you understand this one. Okay. Thank you.